Here we come to the west exit elevator at the main library at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a newer elevator. It was installed just a few years ago. It's pretty new. Very nice elevator. Like the lantern. GAL interlock. I think it's GAL. Yeah, it's a GAL interlock. Nudge mode. I think someone wants to use it. Anyways, capacity 3,000 pounds. It didn't go anywhere, which is kind of strange. ADA compliant phone built into the COP, capacity 3,000 pounds. Let's go up to 2. We're stopping. Going up.
Sorry.
Which floor? 2?
Yes. Unless you can get me to 3. 3 would be ideal.
This one doesn't go up to 3. Let's go open on that side.
Thank you
Good
very
day.
much.
You're welcome. Let's go back down to 1. Very nice elevator. I like the cab. LED cab lighting. And newer EPCO fixtures. Outlet down at the bottom. Very nice. Let's ring the bell again. Let's get off, let's go up to 2 and we'll get off on 1R. This is an auxiliary COP. This is the main COP. We'll watch the leveling. It takes a little while to level. Let's ring the bell. Very nice. Your EPCO chime. Let's get off on 1R so we can see the rear door. And the door kind of closes when you push the button. I like the floor passing chime on this elevator. Very nice elevator. And anyways, here it goes. And that's it.